Nona, mata teh ekak අරන් ගන්න.
මහත්තයා ඒ බොන්න.
Nona, I'm really happy. Our third child also going to get married. I'm really happy about this.
Me too, Mahatya. I am also very happy. Like you have always told me, our 3 children, the 2 daughters and the son, will live happily together in our together.
Yes, Nona. I wish always this.
It will come true, Mahatya. Don't worry, Amma. Don't cry. We will always with you. I always take care of you. Don't worry, Amma.
My husband suicided because of society inside at him. I should give my child better future because it was been a marriage. I will get my father's property. I can give it to my child and give them better life.
Amma, see this.
What is this, Putta?
Amma, this is a new contract.
Okay, Putta.
Amma, if we do this contract, we can become a billionaire, Amma.
That's good, Putta. You should do it.
Yes, Amma. But but the thing is, I need our property in my name.
But Putta, how can I give you the whole property?
Amma, if the property in my name only, I can do the contract, Amma.
Putta, how can I give you the whole property, Putta? We gave the second daughter in marriage in winter to keep the property inside the family. Your father wanted the property for the whole family, Putta. How can I give you the whole property?
But I will son, Amma.
But Putta, how can I get?
I want this property, Amma.
What problem? Why are you shouting with Amma?
Ask her.
He wants the whole property for himself to do some business. For some money. I also want property because I take care of the mother. I also want property. All the children want money.
Amma, wait, Amma. Amma, listen to me, Amma.
What nonsense is this? What's happening, Amma? Your brother and your sister want the property for themselves, Putta.
I also need the property, Amma. Amma, look at them. I also need the property. My husband died because of the Binna marriage. I have a legal right.
No. How can we give the property to you? You are an illegitimate child. We can't give the property to you.
How can we get property? Your wife is one Kandyan.
My husband has tried the property.
My wife also have the right to property.
But she married Diga marriage. Then how can we give the property?
They didn't give the dowry also.
So what to do? That's your problem. I need the property.
Then how you can say my wife can't get the property?
What about me? Shama has adopted daughter. You married non-Kandyan. But I live for this family. I also need the property.
I want property.
I want this property.
I want this property.
Abbe Mahatya, see what our children are doing. They are all fighting for property. What can I do?
You are the reason for all the problem. You should get out from this house. This is the JAYASINHA family. Not only this family, but also many other families who are governed by Kandyan law face similar issues in their regular life. At the same time, many people are not fully aware of the laws that affect them. In addition, Kandyan law itself has some shortcomings. Through this short film, we hope to create legal awareness among the public about their rights under the Kandyan law. We have also suggested few possible reforms to some of the weakness in the Kandyan law.
Widows are entitled to a life interest in acquired property. Here the issue is the widows are not aware about the right. They don't need to live in fear or lose their home. So the challenges of them are lack of codification and poor awareness campaigns. So we reform that, codify the widow's life interest clearly with half share when the spouse died intestate, and also launch awareness programs and ensure protection for legal aid.
Under Kandyan law, when daughter enters into a legal marriage, she leaves her parents' house and joins her husband's family. Because of this, she may lose her right to inherit her father's property, unlike being a married daughter.
You know, this rule creates a lot of
Legal and social problem. But don't assume when you marry a legal marriage, you don't have any right to this property. Under the Kandyan law, the interstate succession legal marriage daughter may forfeit the Paraveni property rights, like the case of Piri Senior versus Manikami. But you should not assume that you don't have any rights because you married in legal. Sometimes courts may assume the circumstantial and situations of the incident. And also, this rule widely criticized that and it's also effect to the constitutional equality because it's effect to the Diga and Binna marriage daughters equality. Why should Diga marriage daughter lose her birth rights because of how she lived after she married? It's not fair enough. So reforms must ensure that every daughter's Diga and Binna marriage daughters should inherit the property equally.
Under Kandyan Marriage and Divorce Act, Kandyan law applies only to people who are considered Kandyan by design. children grow up in Kandyan families. They follow Kandyan communities and Kandyan culture and Kandyan customs. But they have not right about under Kandyan law because one of the partner is a non-Kandyan. The law only focus about the bloodline, but they did not look at their cultures and communities and they have the behaviors. So, based on our reform, we want to look at their culture and their behaviors. So, in 1917, Kandyan Succession Ordinance allowed mixed marriage. But in Kandyan Marriage and Divorce Act says mixed marriage not allowed and they don't have the Kandyan rights. But we say we want to again Kandyan Succession Ordinance because recognized as their rights.
Adopted children often cannot inherit ancestral property. Adoption is recognized but inheritance rights remain unclear. Adopted child often cannot inherit ancestral property. There is lack of harmonization with general adoption law in Sri Lanka. Ensure adopted children inherit equally through codifying adoption provisions. When a child needs adoption, they become family. Yet Kandyan law treats them as outsiders. This must change. Adoption should mean full belongings, including inheritance.
Many Binna marriage husbands are not treated as equally and they lost their property rights. Under the Kandyan Marriage and Divorce Act, the Binna husband moved to the wife's house. His inheritance rights are not protected clearly. The laws are unclear, leading to the family disputes. Society saws the Binna husband as an outsider of the family members. There is a need to protect Binna husband's property rights. Treat the Binna husband as an equal part of the family members and also create public awareness. Binna husband should not be treated as an outsider. The law must protect Binna husband's right. Every husband deserves the dignity, fair treatment and security.
The law is illegitimate children may inherit acquired property but not ancestral property. The issue is discreet inequality among children and violating child rights. Challenges are courts depend on parental acknowledgement, leaving many children excluded. So reforms are grant equal inheritance rights to all children, aligning with UNCRC standards.